Welcome back, guys. This is part 2, oh my gosh, of entry number 65 from Brandy with Love Pixie. And okay, so we left off, she had this little case here, and inside she has a bunch of embellishments, you guys. A bunch. Oh my gee. Look, she used some of that fishing net in the background. It says Believe with the mermaid tail, and then she's got the mermaid silhouette, and she made the little clamshell. Oh my god. And the starfish. Oh my gosh. And then she's got another one, and it says Happy. This is beautiful. Brandy, look at these clamshells. Aren't they perfect? And the paper she's used, oh my goodness. This is like, it's not glitter, but it glistens. It's a little sparkly. And then she's got little bows on there. Oh my god. Brandy, you really, really, really have spoiled me. Oh my goodness. There's more, the clamshells. Oh my gosh. Lady, how do I get you back? All you wonderful women have spoiled me this year. I can't believe all these beautiful treasures are for me. And then this one says Mermazing with the little mermaids on there. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, Brandy. You are so amazing. And put that there. And then, what the heck? Oh my goodness! Are you kidding me? You guys are gonna freak out. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Brandy. This is gorgeous. This is so gorgeous. Oh my god. So she has the little bookcase, and all the way around has bubbles. Isn't that beautiful? And there's the fork. Our little mermaid. What did she call it? Dingle hopper. It's a dingle hopper. And she got her little red bow. Oh my god, look at this thing. She's got the fishing net with beautiful flowers. Look at this bow. Oh my goodness. Should I even open these boxes? Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna open the boxes. You can't see where the bookshelf is right now, but look at that. So she's got elastic on here. It's got a little bow. So pretty. There's the mermaid and the seaweed and the starfish. Just perfect. Oh my god, look at her shaker. Oh my goodness. That is beautiful. Oh, look at the black-haired mermaids. Oh my goodness. Just the box. I'm happy with the box. Oh my god. Gorgeous ombre inside, double-sided paper. She got her tails on here. That is so gorgeous. Girl. Is this a cut file? And then she's got her little top, her clamshell top, and look at the tails are the mermaid tails. So beautiful. Oh my goodness, Brandy. Spoiled. Spoiled. 100% spoiled. Oh my god. I love it. This is just too much. This is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Brandy. All this hard work and extra effort. Oh my god. How do I even begin to thank you? Look at this one, has the shaker in the front. Oh my gosh. She is a mermaid on dry land, and the world is her ocean. Oh my gosh. That is so beautiful. This paper collection is gorgeous. Look at the shells. Look at this beautiful mermaid here. I don't even recognize this collection. And she got a tassel going. Look at that. It's got this seashells all the way around the tassel. So pretty. Oh my gosh, Brandy. With her purple ribbon. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. She got the sand dollars. Oh my goodness. Look at that. There's a shaker. You can see it. Oh my goodness. Girl, you really outdid yourself. So beautiful. Wow. I love everything you created. Look at the inside. It's got all the different mermaids in there. Oh, so beautiful. I'll tie this up after. But this is so beautiful, guys. Oh my gosh, this thing is heavy. And there is her tail and their little clamshell top. Another shaker. Best friends. It's beautiful. Oh my gosh, and it's a Velcro. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Listen, Linda. Oh my girl. You guys see these? They look like scales. Fish scale. Oh, look at that. It's a merman. And then we have, ooh, resin with the bow and a pearl. Oh my gosh. Brandy, look at her clamshell. Oh my goodness, girly. And she's got the mermaids in here. Woman, you gave me so many. Oh, there's the mermaid tails. Just beautiful, babe. Oh my goodness. That is so gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I'm so lost of words right now. Brandy, you have spoiled me. Oh my goodness, look at them. So cute. Look at her shakers. Oh my gosh. That is so pretty. Look, shaker on the side, shaker on the front, shake, shake, shake. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What in the world? She gave me all these die cuts, you guys. And she clipped everything together. So it won't be such a hot mess like me. Oh my. Tons of cuts. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Brandy. Oh, look at this one. Ariel. These are so beautiful. You guys. That's me with the purple hair. Oh my God. Brandy. Girl, I haven't even reached your memory dex card yet. She has given me so much. Oh my God. I don't know. I don't even know. So many blessings in this little box. Oh my goodness. All I can say is, oh my goodness. But this is so gorgeous. Thank you, Brandy. And she's stitched everywhere. Oh my goodness, I cannot. Girl. Put it right into her bookshelf. I mean, I can't. With you guys, you're so generous. Oh Thank you so much, Brandy. You are amazing. But wait, you guys, because she's not only amazing, she's also crazy. Look at what she did. Are you kidding me? Oh my, look at these giraffes right here. Look at how cool they are. Oh my God. Look at these ladies there. Look at them. Oh my goodness. Look at this. This beautiful paper. Babe, why did you give me this? Oh my goodness. Oh, I love that print. I love that print. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. All I can say is, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I love that print right there. That colorway. Ooh, look at those flowers on gold. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I love this. This is so amazing. Oh, look at that. I'm just in love with art and color and the freedom to do whatever design you want. I mean, just, oh my God. This is so beautiful. Brandy. Oh my goodness. Look at their faces. It looks like an Andy Warhol painting. You know what I mean? Like, so pretty. Oh my goodness. Brandy. I love that. Oh my goodness, look at their face. Giraffes might be my new love. Oh my goodness, Brandy. Oh, I love that. I love it. I love it. Oh, nice plaid. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Be kind, human. Oh my God. Why have I not seen this? This is so crazy. It's a hot buy paper pad, guys. Oh my God, I can't even fit everything in here that she has given to me, guys. Now let's get into her Memodex cards so that I don't forget. Of course. Look at her card. Oh my God, I want to cry. Oh my God. Look at this. She has my name on here, and the starfish, and the bow, and the little mermaid tail peeking out. Always be yourself, unless you could be a mermaid, then always be a mermaid. Gorgeous. And then here's her info in the back. Look at the clamshell. You see that gold? It's beautiful. So she has her info here. It says Brandy Bedard. Her Instagram is with Love Pixie. Her favorite animal is a fox and a swan. She loves light blue, pink, and pastels. Her styles are girly, kawaii, florals, and vintage. And her favorite books are Sookie Stackhouse and Harry Potter and Twilight. Oh yes, girl. Harry Potter and Twilight, yes. Favorite holiday is Halloween. And she covered her in her address, but look at her beautiful card. Oh, I love it. Brandy, you are my girl. Brandy, you have spoiled me so bad. Oh my God. How's my husband gonna keep up with that? Girlie, I love everything. Everything. You amaze me. You have spoiled me. And now, oh, you guys, that is the end of Brandy's box. And you can't even see everything, which is crazy. But thank you all for watching. Please go check her out on Instagram. She does have a YouTube, but she doesn't post videos, so she's more on Instagram, guys. Go and check her out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all on the next video. Bye!